In this exercise, you will work on single line contour. This is also known as continuous contour. You can define this as the outline of the shapes or forms that make up an object while you never pick up your pencil. It's one continuous line. You should have 2 points that should be prominent in your drawing, a starting point and an ending point. We don't necessarily know which is which, but you should have 2 clear points, such as in the portrait to the right. You can see there's 1 point in the bottom of the hair to the left and another point in the bottom of the hair to the right. So the first step that you would do for a single line contour is to pick your point, then do all of your shapes. You may have to do some extra loops and lines here, such as like the loop in the nose here in this example. These ones do tend to look a little bit funky, but that's kind of the nature of the style. Here I've started drawing my plant. This is sped up to make the video a little quicker for you, so make sure you're taking your time when you're drawing. I'm going through and just following the contours of the plant, never lifting my pencil. This can add extra loops, or you can trace the lines that you've previously made. I think the extra loops give it a little more character. Here you can see I'm starting my tape roll. This is about 2 times the speed of my actual drawing, whereas the plant was about 4 times. So I'm drawing pretty slow on these to make sure that I'm getting really good quality work and I'm really following the shapes. So I continue drawing and I'm gonna add as many details as I think I need to convey that it's a tape roll. Here I'm doing the same technique using my binder clip. You really need to focus on drawing what you see versus what you think you see. This mantra can really be used with all of the exercises that we've taught about contour drawing. You really want to focus on the actual object itself versus what you think the object would look like. Here is an example of our practices from these videos. You will have very similar sketchbook pages that you will turn in to us in addition to your Google Drive contour notes. Please make sure you've done your very best work before starting your final project. You can also practice more as needed in your sketchbook and turn this in as well. Ms. Barton, Ms. Ferguson, and I are very excited to see what you've drawn.